Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro JPY, and as you can see, the market is in an uptrend. The chart is very beautiful, sweet, neat and clean chart. Okay, and you can see that I am in the 4 hours time frame, the most popular and my personal favorite time frame. Okay. So market is in uptrend, and as we all know, okay, the first thumb rule, okay, trend trend is our friend, therefore we should always follow the trend. So if your market is in uptrend, we should only look for buying opportunities, and if your market is in downtrend, we should only look for selling opportunity. So Euro JPY is in uptrend, therefore we will only look for buying opportunity. Secondly, area of value. Area of value means the best trading spot or the best trading opportunity. Okay, so in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support, or the best position to buy in an uptrend market is near the support, whereas in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity to short the market is always at the resistance. Right now market is in uptrend, Euro GPY is in uptrend, therefore we need to find a support. Okay, support. And we can see that this blue line is the 50 moving average. Okay, and we can clearly see that 50 moving average is acting as a support. See, whenever market was coming down, it was acting as a support. Okay, 50 moving average is providing the required support to the market whenever market came down, therefore we have a support. Okay, and market is in uptrend and we need to find the support, and we have the support now, which is 50 moving average. Therefore our best trading opportunity is the 50 moving average. Okay, therefore our first trading opportunity and the safe trading opportunity is to wait for the market to come down and hit the 50 moving average. When market will hit the 50 moving average, then we will get the buying position. Okay, or we will get the entry position. But do remember, confirmation is always important, because see, I always mention in my videos that we are retail traders like you and traders like me. We do not decide the direction of the market. Okay, we are just like puppets. We follow the footprints of the big traders, the big players, the banks and hedge funds. Okay, therefore confirmation is always important. So when market will touch and hit the 50 moving average, just observe the price, try to read the chart, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that market is making a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, or if you see the price is rejecting from below, or if market forms a green candle like this, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid support and you can go for a buy order at the 50 moving average. Okay, so if market bounces from the 50 moving average, go for it, it's a buy call. And okay, clear. Now let's jump to the second part. You can see that I have a black line drawn here. Okay, I have a black line drawn here, and I have also mentioned 134.13. Okay, this level. Okay, before going to this part, let me take you to this weekly chart. Okay, so this is the weekly chart, and this is the weekly chart of EURJPY. And if you watch any of my videos, previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, and I prefer to consult the weekly time frame, because to know the bigger picture, what the big boys are doing. So if you look at the weekly chart, then again you can see that market is in beautiful uptrend, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, there is no doubt about it, but we have a resistance here. Okay, The weekly chart is heavily bullish, strong uptrend, but we have a resistance here. Okay, and right now we can see that market is just standing at a resistance only, and it is this line. This is the resistance line, and we can see the effect here on the 4 hours time frame. Let me adjust this line. Okay, and right so just concentrate or just focus on this particular portion. Okay, forget about the beautiful chart, forget about the sweet uptrend and all. Okay, right now just focus on this particular portion and just look at these candles. Do you still think market is an uptrend? No. You can easily see that there is no volatility in the market. Market is trying to go up. Okay, market is trying to cross this particular level, but market is unable to do so. And if we look at this particular chart, then there is no answer. That's why I took you to the weekly time frame and I showed you that on the weekly chart, okay, though market is heavily bullish, beautiful uptrend, but still there is a resistance. There was a resistance. There was some price rejection in the past, in the history. As a result, market is facing that resistance, and because of that particular resistance, market is struggling. Market is struggling at this level. Okay, so I have already told you what should be our first strategy. Now let me tell you the second trading opportunity. Okay, so second trading opportunity in EURJPY chart is wait for the market to cross this particular level. Okay, see, market is in right now, market is there is no not much volatility, market is struggling. Okay, that is a different chapter, but overall market is an uptrend, overall market is very much bullish. That fact we cannot deny. So therefore we will have to wait for the market to cross this level, and this is your second trading opportunity. Okay, we will have to wait for the market to cross this level, 134.08 level. When market will cross this level, okay, when market will cross this level, your duty is to observe the price. Okay, when market will cross this level, observe the market for 4 to 6 hours. Try to read the chart, try to understand the market emotion, try to read the market emotion. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours price is trading comfortably, there is no price struggle, market is trading comfortably above this level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support now, and you can go for buy order. And this will be your new area of value, because in an uptrend market we only look for buying opportunity, and we get the opportunity near the support. And once this level will become the support, this will be our new area of value, and we can go for buy order. We can go for buy order above this level. Okay, so our first trading opportunity is this. When market will bounce from 50 moving average, you can buy at the 50 moving average. And second trading opportunity is above this level, but just keep in mind, if you buy at the 50 moving average, then this will be your target. Okay, this will be your target because this is the resistance. So these are the strategies that you can follow for EURJPY. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.